Hi guys. So this is just a quick tutorial on how to set up Cornell notes. Um, when you are listening to the PowerPoint presentations on vocabulary, this is the way that I expect you to capture those words. Cornell notes is basically just a note-taking system. I am going to show you how to do it using a Word document. Obviously, this can be done with notebook paper and a pencil when you are listening to the presentation without an issue. So basically what I'm going to do is I have Word open. I am going to go in and I'm going to insert a table. I am going to insert a 2x2 table. So that gives us 2 columns and 2 rows. For Cornell notes, the middle line really can be way over here because you need more room on one side to write than you do the other. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to label each of these. So I'm going to put word and part of speech. And then on the other side, I am going to put the definition and or synonyms. And obviously you can sort of change the font if you would like any of these to be that way. I really cannot stand Calibri, and this is my favorite one. And then I'm always going to put it in to the middle for my headers. And then basically I am just going to open this up and make room for whatever it is that I need to write in here. When you are doing this on notebook paper, it's going to be set up the exact same way. So basically, as I am listening to the PowerPoint presentation for the vocabulary words, I am going to need to insert those words. So on this column, you guys can hear my dogs wrestling in the background. I am going to input the vocabulary word. So in Odyssey vocabulary list, the first word is muse. It is a noun, which is a person, place, or thing. And then on this side of the Cornell system, I am basically just going to input any information that I listened to in the presentation. So muse means divine inspiration. So there are 9 Greek muses. Oops. All of which are Zeus's daughters. Zeus is a god, and his 9 daughters were actually the inspiration for art and literature. And I told you in the presentation that the muse Cleos, or Cleo, is the history muse. And she is all about heroic stories. And then I'm going to get back onto this side and I'm going to scroll down some more. Now it's up to you on how you want to organize this. You can put as many spaces in between as you would like. You can change the font, obviously. If I wanted to on these on this Word document, I can also insert a photograph. So I can go into insert and I can click on to online pictures and I can find a picture of a Greek muse. Now, something that you should know about this is that when you look up online pictures through this, it has this Creative Commons only. You can actually click out of that and it will give you a whole lot more pictures. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, what do you know? There are the 9 muses. Oh, actually, look at this one right here. This is better. Click out of that one. This one has the 9 muses, and it has what they are muses of. Now, you should obviously resize your photograph. And then you are also going to have to move your next definition down so you have some space. And then you're going to go into your next definition, whatever that was, I don't remember. This is a good way to keep control of your vocabulary words. Obviously, you can study from this, and you're going to need to be able to go back and look at the definitions to be able to understand the story anyway. And I'm going to give you a vocab test, so that is where all that comes in handy. I hope the tutorial helped. If you have any questions on how to set up your Cornell notes, just refer back to the video, or come and see me during Impact.